Hello, rising parents. If you are looking for insightful parenting tips and tricks, you are in the right place. As some of you may already know, we have worked professionally with children and their families for over 20 years, and we love sharing our journey and experience with viewers like you. In this video, I will give you some great potty training tips. And, as always, I will share our great 8 from Amazon at the end of this video. For those of you that are new to our channel, our great 8 are 8 products from Amazon that will help you accomplish your parenting goals. Be sure to watch to the end of this video, because today's great 8 will help you to potty train your child. So, without further ado, let's get started. Potty training tips for parents. The importance of potty training. The importance of potty training cannot be overstated. It is not just a matter of convenience or saving on diapers, it is a matter of respect and dignity for the child. When a child realizes they have an effect over their body, they can take more ownership over their life. They can know what they want and when they want it. Challenges of potty training. It can be a challenge to potty train your child, and it's natural to feel anxious about the outcome. Potty training is a big milestone for toddlers and parents, but one of the most frustrating challenges can be how long it takes to get there. It typically takes children 3 to 4 days to get comfortable with new potty habits, and some may need more time than others. Facts about potty training. In order to prepare for potty training, parents need to observe their child's behavior and reactions. If a child is hesitant, it may be best to postpone the training until they are ready. Parents should be aware that toilet training is a big responsibility and there will need to be parental involvement. There are many different approaches to potty training, such as bringing a potty training seat into the bathroom or just telling children when they need to go on the potty. Signs a child may be ready for potty training. Potty training is not an easy task for any parent, but it can be made easier with the right approach. There are signs that your child may be ready to start potty training. If your child seems eager to use the toilet, has started playing with toilet paper or other related items, or has an interest in helping you clean up after using the bathroom, then they may be ready for potty training. Important steps to take during the process of potty training. Potty training can seem like a daunting process when you are trying to figure out the steps to take in order to get it done. There are many important steps that should be taken in order for it to be successful. One of the first steps is to make sure your child is ready, which you can do by checking their maturity level and that they feel comfortable using the potty. Tips for rewards and encouragement during potty training. Potty training is a challenging task for both children and parents. To ease the process, it is important to use rewards and encouragement to keep your child motivated. First, be sure to offer a treat as well as praise when they make any progress. For every successful trip to the potty, give your child a sticker or other type of reward for their accomplishment. Second, make potty training part of your routine. How to potty train for boys and girls. Many parents find that the transition to potty training is easier for girls than boys. While there are many theories on how to potty train for boys, most parents agree that getting them used to the sensation of wetting themselves when they're in diapers is a great place to start. With this method, parents will let their child wear a diaper until they have an accident, and then allow them to wear underwear. Frequently asked questions about potty training. How long does it take to potty train a child? To potty train a child, it may take anywhere from 2 weeks to 6 months. Children who are younger than 18 months old can be difficult to potty train because they do not yet understand the concept of cause and effect like older children do. However, with patience and consistency, most children will learn within that year time frame. Younger children should be taken to the bathroom every 30 minutes or so during the day until they are trained. What are the most common mistakes parents make when potty training? Potty training is a difficult stage for both children and parents. In order to avoid these common mistakes, it's important to have a plan before starting the process. The most common mistake that parents make is thinking that it is someone else's responsibility to potty train their child. Some parents believe it is the responsibility of the daycare, babysitters, or even the child's grandparents. This could not be further from the truth. Your child is going to spend more time with you than anyone else. Therefore, you will always have the most time to potty train your child with the most consistency. The second most common mistake is not starting on time and waiting too long, which leads to a child developing an unhealthy fear and avoidance of the bathroom altogether. Another common mistake is not being prepared with an adequate supply of diapers or pull-ups. Many toddlers will make a few accidents a week, so having a large enough stash on hand will help prevent any frustrating situations. The most important thing to remember is that you are not forcing your child to potty train, but instead guiding them through the process. Consistency is a must. Don't give up. Why is potty training so difficult? The process of potty training can be challenging because it has a lot of factors that need to come together in the right way. The child needs to show signs of readiness and understanding, and the parent needs to be patient and consistent. There is also the issue of teaching children good hygiene, which includes good hand-washing practices and wiping themselves. Conclusion: potty training your child can be an incredibly stressful process. Whether you are reading books, following tutorials online, or seeking help from friends and family, there are many ways to successfully potty train your little one. But it's not the time spent on the potty that's so important, it's the time spent with your child that matters most. One of the most important parts of potty training is spending time with your child on the potty seat. Now let's take a look at our Great 8 from Amazon. Today's Great 8 are potty training aids that will help you get the job done fast. 1. Potty training in 3 days. Ditch the diapers in no time with this step-by-step plan. Filled with expert advice accrued over thousands of cases, this potty training book makes it easy to get your child to start using the toilet. This guide covers everything you need to know, from prepping for your potty training weekend to supporting and encouraging your child once they've made it through the 3 days. 2. Potty Time, the original potty watch. This potty watch reminds them it's time to go by playing alternating tunes and lights. The 3 different songs and included lyrics will get your child excited about going to the potty. 3. We're potty training. Discover straightforward advice specifically written for dads who have never tried to wrangle another person onto a toilet. 4. Potty training toilet seat with step stool ladder for kids and toddlers. Easy to fold and store, this potty ladder is easy to take when you want to travel, and you can put it in your bag. It fits perfectly next to the toilet when not in use and you barely know it's there. 5. Potty training timer watch with flashing lights and music tones. This potty training watch has an easy-to-set-up programmable loop and timer for 30 minutes, 60 minutes, 90 minutes, 2 hours and 3 hours to remind your little ones when they need to go potty. Turn off the timer at night or whenever you want. 6. Potty training chart with 35 reusable magnetic stickers. Make potty training fun and motivating. Get your boy or girl excited about potty training. Your little one will be proud of their achievements. 7. Summer Infant My Size Potty. The Summer My Size Potty is the original My Size potty training toilet, and features a realistic design that looks and feels just like an adult toilet, ensuring a comfortable and confident transition to the real thing. 8. Munchkin Sturdy Potty Seat. This portable toddler potty seat is perfect for potty training boys and girls. I will put the Amazon product links to these great 8 in this video description below. All our Amazon product links in this video description will take you straight to the official Amazon website and will never increase the price of the product you choose to purchase. Just click on the Amazon product link you choose from this video description below and add it to your Amazon shopping cart just before you proceed to checkout. Every purchase you make through our Amazon product links helps fund our charity, selflessoutreach.org. So, turn your next Amazon order into a charitable contribution at no additional cost to you. Thank you for your support. This concludes our potty training tips for parents. Give these tips a try. Also, try at least one of our great 8. I think you will find that once you implement these tips with at least one of our great 8, you will start seeing the results you want. As always, please give this video a thumbs up and click that subscribe button. Goodbye for now and have a great day.